Certainly. Here are 10 mind-blowing facts about nature. 1. Nature's network, trees communicating underground. 2. The pistol shrimp, the loudest creature underwater. 3. Unveiling the corpse flower, nature's stinky beauty. 4. Glowing wonders, the enchanting world of bioluminescence. 5. Snap and trap, the fascinating Venus flytrap. 6. Explosive defense, the bombardier beetle's chemical arsenal. 7. Dancing on blue feet, the alluring blue-footed booby. 8. Desert or jungle, exploring the Sahara and Amazon's secrets. 9. Freshwater marvel, meet the Baikal seal. 10. Feathers of seduction, Vogelkopf's superb bird of paradise's mesmerizing mating dance.